Alright, I'm using GoPros from now on. Welcome to the Ben Motorsport Park. I'm racing XLs finally. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see. We've got qualifying first up. 2 races today and then 2 tomorrow. So my car has a new engine. Does it make me any faster? Probably not, but I'm lacking the talent, so I do need the extra power. So got driver's briefing, refuel the car, make sure we're actually legal weight and legal camber. Is it going to be chaos? Probably.
Good morning, everybody.
Do you want to go dive bombing me too? I got a new motor because my old one was on its lifespan. The old motor was running, it was quick, it was fast. This one is gonna need a bit of love to get up to speed, but it's still a quick car, it's a good car. I'm technically filming while driving, hey, it's kind of illegal, but I'm in a private property. 1008. It's 1008. We have to be above 1,000 kilos. Put some fuel in, we're good to go. And how good is our Gentleman Drivers Club? Thanks to everybody that came on board for that. I know it was last minute. If you missed out, we can redo a couple names. We have to sign on.
Just letting you know you won't see this weekend.
Is that how good the pace is, bro?
You won't see this.
I can imagine it. Have you ever got a podium in like TA2?
Yes, mate.
Ah, well there you go. A bit of practice for you again.
Alright, so qualifying, now the one mistake I made, I didn't get a draft, and it's such a big key in these low-powered cars, even high-powered cars, that you get the tow, get that extra speed, and then if you can just maintain a gap or safely overtake at some point, you can have a good lap. Didn't get that sorted, and I got a bit of traffic as well, so our result wasn't the best. Also, I apologise for this camera angle, I did fix it later on, that seat was in the way.
P13 in qualifying, not happy. But all these young kids are getting faster and you can't keep up with them. They're just so much quicker. Our friend Jake over here hit a curb real hard, so. I think they've bent something. I don't know what it is exactly, but you know, quite unfortunate. Race 1, P13, next to Shane Nowicki, who's always shit at qualifying but great at racing. So let's build our way up. I really want a top 10 this weekend, so that's what we're working for. Okay, this is story of the day. I am next to Shane Nowicki, one of the best drivers I know in the grid, but the worst qualifiers.
I think he's still actually behind me.
I am. Okay, I'm a row behind, but with my amazing start, we'll see what happens. So Shane...
You don't take me out.
I am not taking my teammate out, or my mate. I'll just say my mate. That'd be rude. There you go, mate. This is what you call a banged up XL. As in the Masters race, a bit of contact there. It's going to be more chaos, and I guarantee there'll be at least 2 safety cars this race. Well, that's my prediction. Race 1 done. It was pretty tame, let's be real. The only exciting things were, number 1, I lost a bunch of positions at the start, and number 2, I locked up twice into turn 5, I think it was, the left-hander, so I'm now going to rotate my tyres because I've practically flat spotted them. I never lock up. I've never locked up that much before. Really lost my touch in XLs, but P13 to finish it off. So same place we started. When you're trying to avoid an accident and you're like, do I smash the brakes or do I keep going? I decided to smash the brakes. Went off the dirt slightly, unsettled the car, and I thought I was going to hit the wall on the inside, but somehow slowed the car down. So really fun battle pack, but 𝒁𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒂𝒍 got tagged by another driver, and whatever. I saw the car sideways. I was like, I'm gonna back out of this. I'm starting 16th tomorrow, so I didn't lose too many places, but it's just fucking one of those weekends. At least I can actually make some positions up now and get back to where I am. But that sucks. That's such a shit way to end a Saturday night. 2 races tomorrow, so we'll get into those. Yeah, not much action so far, just a lot of near misses. Good morning, welcome. Could be better. Pit crew, your thoughts?
Yeah, people should just go faster.
Just drive faster. If you don't drive faster, don't be racing. Gotta get a top 10 today. Top 10?
I hope so.
That's exactly right. Alright, weekend done, and P9. Comeback drive to finish the weekend. Obviously a bit of a bad accident between 2 of my mates. I think they're okay, just a shocking crash. Look, we moved up, we got in the tow, and we need to be there next round. It wasn't what I wanted, but happy to finish in the top 10. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Peace. Bye.